What is going on, guys? Edgar here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate your time. All right, so today, guys, was pretty much a loss day. I'm gonna show you quick right here. I don't want to hide anything. Pretty much I wanted to show you what pretty much happened on the markets today. Very weird. The market was very like moving very like sideways, even though we had some type of nice formation, a bullish formation, nice demand zone. We are reaching a 4600 level, psychological level, and we had some type of push. By the time the New York Stock Exchange opened, we did have some bullish pressure, but then ended up actually falling and stopping us out. Very, very weird. This is Nasdaq, also right here. Pretty much it did the same movement. We were on this little demand zone. Nice little support as well in here. The market just ended up stopping us out. US 30, pretty much, look at that. It skyrocketed when the New York Stock Exchange opened and then dropped and then just continued dropping. But I was just cutting losses in this one since I was seeing Nasdaq and US 30 doing the same thing. Just so I closed the entry. So it was a lost day. It was a red day for the team. Now I'm pretty much kind of like predicting, or not predicting, I'm trying to see what the market is going to do tomorrow, since today was pretty much you know, not doing anything. Just look at this. This is Nasdaq right here. If you can see this on the 1 hour time frame, you can see a lot of consolidation today. Pretty much black, yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow. So a lot of indecision today. Look at the size of the wicks. It didn't want it to go down. It didn't want it to go up. So a lot of indecision in this area. Look at this pin bar. It could have been a nice you know, formation to actually go buying, but the price failed. It failed really strong right now. Look at the stocks right now. They're all looking green. I'm sorry, red at the moment. So yeah, it's definitely a red day for the stock market and for the indices. As I mentioned, very, very weird. Not showing very much movement. So let's go ahead and try to see what we can predict for tomorrow. All right. Remember, market recently broke a psychological level on Nasdaq 15,000. It broke above, and now we are on this little uptrend, and it looks like it's pulling back. It's just definitely pulling back to retest. Like this is what I told my students as well. Like if the market would have at least give us a sign of selling, I would actually look for a sell. But what I was spotting everywhere, it was pretty much a bullish flag. And look at how this thing looks on a 15-minute. It's just very hectic, you know, down and big push, and then another drop, and then another push, and then another drop. So yeah, very, very weird, very, very crazy. This last few days has been very hectic. A lot of big momentum to the upside, then another momentum to the downside, then you know, another push to the upside. So it's very, very, very weird. Today also was not the exception. So it's gonna happen. Sometimes you're gonna have those type of days. It's gonna happen. You can't control what's going to happen. So what we can control it right now, and we can watch and try to see what the market is trying to do. So we got this big push from this uptrend, nice push, and now it's pulling back. Like you can see in this push as well. My market is pretty much push, pullback, push, now pullback. Let's see if this pullback is actually going to reach the psychological level, the 15,000 level right there, and then right here spotting a buy, so we can go up. Okay. Maybe during tonight, during Asian session, the market will actually drop and maybe get close to the golden zone. Remember, this is the golden zone right here. So I'm gonna leave that in there, and let's see what we're gonna have tomorrow. If the market reaches the golden zone, oh, be ready and prepare yourself to get into a buy if you spot a nice sign of bullish pressure. But at the moment, pretty much struggling right there. It didn't do anything. It didn't even like go down. If you come on, if you want to go down, come on, just do it right away. But no, it did give it a hard time to either go down or go up. So faking a lot of people out, and it is. You can call it maybe manipulation to that, or it just a lot of selling pressure and buying pressure at the same time. It caused this type of indecision. It could be, but you know, it can get really, really ugly sometimes. So this is US 30. Let's go on a 4-hour time frame. Also consolidation. You can see US 30 is pretty much like going sideways. Today it did this little, you can call this also a fake out. Look at this big push right here. As I showed you here on the group, where is it? Here, US 30. Saw that nice breakout right there. I was just seeing this thing just hitting my TP in like a few seconds because it went up so fast, but then just started dropping and started dropping again. So quite sad. This is the drop. You see the big push when the New York stock exchange opened, big push, and then just dropping. All right, so you can see this is a big resistance right here on a 1-hour time frame at least. Nice resistance. The price broke and then dropped. So fake out to the upside. Now we could have a potential drop. Seeing this fake out on US 30 is making me think that the market will now tomorrow, it will maybe drop huge, will drop big. Let's see, at least from this push. Yeah, we could be reaching the golden zone right here. It could also come back down. I'm sure it's going to be coming back down to actually retest the 35,000 psychological level. Look at this level in the past. It's been touched multiple times, so it's a very strong support slash resistance. Now look at on the 4-hour, you got the bearish engulfing candle, so it could be dropping, but it's taking too long to drop. That's why it's making me, you know, when things are slow like that, you know, I don't like when it gets like that. So I'd rather stay away sometimes. Let's see if this is still a demand zone, you know, a valid demand zone, because the price did push up. Look at this, 3 big candles to the upside, and now price is coming back down to retest to the same area. So this is an attractive zone for buyers. So let's see what's going to happen tomorrow anyways in there. Or we also have the the golden zone on our Fibonacci, right, from the bottom to the top. Okay, that's basically it, but it's going sideways at the moment. S&P 500, also take a look at that. S&P 500 also struggling to go above or to go below. It's now reaching the 4600 level. It just touched it. So let's see if it's gonna stop right there, or is it gonna go lower right here. Let's also draw our golden zone right there, you know, from this push. Nice push. Look at price action, basically what the market is doing. Okay, in this uptrend you always want to see price pushing, pull back, push, pull back, push, pull back, right? So you have a nice uptrend right there. Remember, looking for those entries once the market reaches these levels right here, these areas. Those are nice entry points. Okay, so what you're seeing right now is this push and now pulling back. So it's pulling back right now, waiting now to see if it's going to reach the golden zone. Like for example, from here, if you go from this low to the high, you can see the market is in the golden zone. So it's your work, it's your job to find an entry right here in this area so you can go buy. Okay, so right now the market is right there. It's actually getting deeper right now. Look at that, it's still dropping. What? It is crashing right now. Interesting. Yeah, it's definitely going down. Yeah, not sure what is causing that, but it's definitely still Now looks like it's going below the 4600 level. So let's wait what's going to happen in this little box right here, which is the golden zone. This demand zone maybe is not going to be effective anymore, and the push to the upside, it may not happen right away. Let's see if we can clean this thing up and just wait for that to happen. It's just it's just a little frustrating why the market didn't show even right here. We're showing a weird movement. You see right here, if you take a look at this little box right here, look at this. The price was in this consolidation, right? Then price broke a structure, came back for retest. What you're seeing there is this: break, retest, and drop. Okay, this is what it was supposed to do, but look what the market did. So you got the push, you got the pullback with a big ass bearish engulfing candle. So instead of continuing to the downside right away, it just stopped right there, push, pretending it was going to break above inside this box again, and now continue dropping. So this is a fake out, definitely a fake out to the upside, pretending it was breaking to the upside. So it should have happened. This should have happened. But you know, as I mentioned, we don't control the markets. We don't decide where the market is gonna go. So it's just playing around right now. Just playing around. So waiting for that actual pullback, golden zone. Let's see what's gonna happen in this area, so we can try to spot a buy. Let's see if there's some support in the past. Yeah, some resistance. The market is going to encounter this nice double top right here in the past, which is acting as a resistance. So let's see if we're going to start encountering some rejections in this area for tomorrow. But that's basically it, guys. Pretty much what the market did today, the losses we encounter. As I mentioned, I will be posting videos every single day. It doesn't matter if we have losses, we have wins. I want to show you everything we do and what are the final results. And that's it. I hope you like this type of content, guys. Leave your comments below if you want to see more like this. Also, if you want to see something else, if you want me to post another type of video, or you have a doubt about a specific topic, trading indices, just let me know, okay? So I can I'll definitely answer all of your comments, guys. If you have some doubts, questions, just let me know, and I will eventually make a video about that, okay? Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel. You know, a lot of content will be coming in, you know, all the time. And also follow me on Telegram if you're interested. I do post all these setups on my Telegram group. A certain percentage of my VIP signals, I post them on my free group on Telegram. If you're interested on actually getting into the masterclass VIP signal group for live, you can access on my website teamprofitsenglish.com, and you can find the information there for the bundle that I'm offering at the moment. Okay, thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.